the company Toplingo with you and Business Idiom course. Lesson number 5, Idioms for Job and Career. Number 1, climb the corporate ladder. The meaning is advance in a company. For example, she's been climbing the corporate ladder quickly. Number 2, glass ceiling. The meaning is an invisible barrier to advancement, especially for women or minorities. For example, many believe there's still a glass ceiling in tech leadership. Number 3, fast track. The meaning is quick route to success or promotion. For example, he is on the fast track to becoming VP. Number 4, think outside the box. The meaning is be creative or unconventional. For example, we need to think outside the box to solve this issue. Number 5, dead-end job. The meaning is a job with no prospects for advancement. For example, I quit because I felt like a dead-end job.